guys, welcome back to D-Learning Hub, and today we are diving into one of the most sarcastic and savage essay you will ever read in ISC English, which is Advice to Youth by Mark Twain. So buckle up because this advice is not what your school counselor will give you. Okay? This piece was written in 1882 by Mark Twain, who was the king of American satire. He was asked to give a talk to young people. This is one introduction of the story or the essay. He was asked to give a talk to young people, and instead of giving the usual stay in the school, be obedient, this type of speech, he absolutely roasted society in the most polite and hilarious way ever. So let us break down Twain's advice, but remember it's sarcastic. He says one thing but means the opposite. That's what makes it chef's kiss. Okay? Now I will make three parts of this story because it will be too lengthy for you to understand. So in part 1, I will teach you three paragraphs. Always obey your parents when they are present wali line, and be respectful to your superiors wala part, and go to bed early, get up early wala. So this will be our first part, and then second part would be lying wala part, firearms wala, and बुक्स वाला. ओके. एंड थर्ड पार्ट और सेकंड पार्ट में मैं कंक्लूजन भी दे दूँगी एक. जैसे इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने अभी दिया तो कंक्लूजन आपको सेकंड पार्ट में मिल जाएगा, और थर्ड पार्ट में आपको मैं थीम्स और कुछ क्रिटिकल रिमार्क्स बताऊँगी. ओके, विच यू हैव टू लर्न दैट. ओके, और सम literary devices used. Okay, so now let us start. Being told I would be expected to talk here, I inquired what sort of talk I ought to make. तो वो हमें बता रहा है कि अपनी स्पीच उसकी शुरू हो चुकी है यहाँ से. ठीक है, तो मुझे पहले से बताया गया था कि मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ तो बात करनी है, तो मैंने पूछा कि मुझे किस तरह की बात करनी है. तो दे सेड इट वुड बी समथिंग सूटेबल टू यूथ, विच समथिंग डायडैक्टिक, instructive, or something in the nature of good advice. Now didactic means which have a moral lesson or which is designed to teach. Instructive means a moral lesson, मतलब कि कुछ टीचिंग मिल रही हो हमें उससे, या फिर कुछ गुड एडवाइस. Very well, I have a few things in my mind which I have often longed means desired, to say for the instruction of the young, for it's in one's tender early years that such things will best take root and be most enduring and most valuable. So in one's early years, tender means soft early, यही चीज़ें होंगी जो हम इस टाइम पे करेंगे, and it will make our base. First, then I will say to you, my young friends, and I say it beseechingly, urgingly. Beseechingly means requestingly. I request you. Urgingly means insistingly I am telling you. Now, let me tell you the plot. I can say that it is full of sarcasm. He says very sarcastically every paragraph. Okay, so now let's start with the first. Always obey your parents when they are present. This is the best policy in long run because if you don't, they will make you. अगर तुम उनकी बात नहीं मानोगे, उनकी जो भी तुमसे वो कहें तुम नहीं मानोगे, तो वो तुमसे करवा के तो रहेंगे ही, तुम्हें मनवा के तो रहेंगे ही. मोस्ट पेरेंट्स थिंक दे नो बेटर दैन यू डू, एंड यू कैन जनरली मेक मोर बाय ह्यूमरिंग दैट सुपरस्टिशन. ह्यूमरिंग मतलब कि क्रिएटिंग एन इल्यूजन, या फिर उनको मानने दो हाँ भाई आपको ज़्यादा पता है चलो. ओके, दैट सुपरस्टिशन दैन यू कैन बाय एक्टिंग ऑन योर ओन बेटर जजमेंट. So if children are not obedient, parents will make them so. It's better for young people to make the most of the knowledge and experience of their parents. Okay, this is the superstition that parents know best and the youngs do not. कि parents को लगता है कि बच्चों को कुछ नहीं पता and they know the best, they are the best. Okay, now he humorously adds when they are present because they have a superstition that they know better. Parents need to be open to the idea of their children being individuals, separate from them, and need the space to blossom as an individual. उनको भी तो एक इंडिविजुअल बनना है ना, उनको भी तो एक अलग अपनी पर्सनालिटी बनानी है, तो उनको अपनी बात रखने का भी मौका मिलना चाहिए. दे शुड नॉट बी ऑलवेज सप्रेस्ड. ओके, नाउ Second, be respectful to your superiors. Mark 1 on always obey your parents when they are present. Okay, now mark 2 on be respectful to your superiors if you have any, also to strangers and sometimes to others. Okay, now Mark Twain says that he advises you that one should be respectful to those one considers superiors as well as strangers. One can resort to extreme measures. अब इसमें लिखा है कि अगर कोई person offends you and you are in doubt as to whether it was intentional or not, do not resort to extreme measures. Simply watch your chance and hit him with a brick. One can resort to extreme measures if one is offended irrespective of whether the offense was intentional. आपको नहीं पता कि उसने जानबूझ के मारा है या गलती से लग गया कुछ भी, लेकिन irrespectively आप extreme measures पे resort कर सकते हो. Though it is better to leave violence to the dregs in the society. Now it is in the next lines I am going to tell you. That will be sufficient. If you find that he had not intended, come out frankly and confess yourself. अगर तुम्हें पता चलता है बाद में कि उसने इंटेंशनली तुम्हें नहीं हर्ट किया है, सो देन कम आउट एंड फ्रैंकली कन्फेस, बी द मैन एंड कन्फेस दैट you didn't mean to hurt him or her. Okay, yes, always avoid violence in this age of charity and kindliness. The time has gone by for such things. इस उम्र में of charity and kindness की और charity की उम्र में don't avoid violence. Okay, don't need, only avoid violence. Okay, now leave dynamite to the low and unrefined. Dynamite मतलब कि violence, और low and unrefined means low class people, or leave violence to the dregs in the society. Low class people are also known as dregs, DREGS. Okay, now third, go to bed early, get up early. This is wise. Mark it 3 as it can be asked. Okay, now go to bed early, get up early. Going to bed early and getting up early is a wise step. Twain says in a humorous way that it would be better if they train a bird. Now some authorities say get up with the sun. Get up with the sun, कोई कहता है कि सूरज की पहली किरण में उठो, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना. Some say get up with one thing, others with another. किसी के साथ, कोई कहता है कि इसके साथ उठना चाहिए हमें, कोई कहता है उसके साथ उठना चाहिए. तो लेकिन ट्वेन कहते हैं कि Mark Twain says that lark is really the best thing to get up with. Lark is a bird which sings very early in the morning in a tuneful song. Okay, with a tuneful song. Okay, it is the really best thing to get up with. It gives you a splendid reputation with everybody to know that you get up with lark. आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे, आप कहोगे मैं लार्क के साथ उठता हूँ, तो आपकी रेपुटेशन बहुत अच्छी बनती है. आपकी जिसके सामने भी जाओ बात करोगे इस बारे में. एंड इफ़ यू गेट द राइट काइंड ऑफ लार्क, अब इसका मतलब है कि इट वुड बी बेटर इफ़ यू ट्रेन अ लार्क. मतलब कि अगर तुमको ऐसी लार्क मिल जाए कि तुम उसे ट्रेन कर सको टू गेट अप एट 9:30 एवरी टाइम, इट्स नो ट्रिक एट ऑल. तो it would be better if you train a bird to give a wake up call as late as possible. In this way you will sleep more and still be considered disciplined. कि मैं तो लार्क के साथ ही उठता हूँ, लेकिन तुमने तो उसे ट्रेन कर दिया है कि मुझे भाई 9:30 बजे उठाओ. 9:30 बजे बहुत जल्दी हो गया, मतलब जिसको जिस हिसाब से उठना है उस हिसाब से उठ जाए, है ना. Now let me give you a quick recap. I told you that I will teach you only 3 paragraphs and now let me give you a quick recap. Twain says that always obey your parents, but he adds when they are present, because parents have a superstition that they know better. Okay, now next he says be respectful to your superiors by adding on a lighter tone if you have any, अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई है. Children are demanded to be respectful of their superiors when they go, irrespective of whether the supposed superior respect them or offends them. कुछ भी हो, अगर वो आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं नहीं करते, आपको उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी है. उनको, मतलब वो मार्क ट्वेन ऐसा नहीं कह रहे हैं. चिल्ड्रन से डिमांड ऐसी की जाती है कि बड़े हैं तो आपको उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी ही थी. In the latter case, Twain humorously suggests hitting them with a brick and later confess to their error. This is typically of those in power. They act first and then make a big farce of apologizing. But Twain says it is better to leave the dynamite to low and unrefined. Dynamite was violence. It implies only the dregs of the society should be left to resort to violence. Okay? Now, Twain refers to the universal phrase encouraging early risers. He understands every youngster from infancy is asked to go to bed bachpan se. Infancy means bachpan se, to go to bed early and rise early. As a solution, he encourages youngsters to think out of the box. बाहर मतलब एक अलग ही सोचो, मतलब नॉर्मल जो सोचते हैं लोग उससे कुछ अलग हट के सोचो. एंड ट्रेन अ लार्क टू वेक देम अप लेट, रेफरिंग टू द ईडियम ऑफ बीइंग अप विद द लार्क. ओके, so this was for this lecture only, and I will teach you the other paragraphs left in the next part. Basically, Mark Twain just told us be good but not too good. Okay, welcome to the most savage moral science class ever taught by a literary legend. If this class made you chuckle and think, hit that like, share it with your oversmart cousin and drop a comment. Mark Twain is equals to OG Gen Z. Don't forget to subscribe for the next part. We will unpack more sarcasm, sneak attacks on the society, and some good of Twain spice. Until next time, stay wise, stay witty, and maybe don't follow advice blindly. Bye bye.